But one of the examples that Peter Thiel uses in his talk is he uses the example of Google. And he says that, we clearly know that in search, Google has a monopoly. We know that. And we also know that in digital advertising, Google and Facebook control large swaths of that world. They dominate, and it'd be hard to argue that they don't have an oligopoly or monopoly type position in those markets. But when the people from Google talk to you, they say, "Oh, listen, poor me, I'm not really a monopoly. Look at the size of the global advertising market. And then look at me, I'm just such a small portion. And then look at the size of the internet industry. And then look at me, I'm just, itty bitty search in that industry. And so, don't really focus on me being this be all and end all. I'm just like a tiny 2-bit player in this big ecosystem." So they want to deflect as much attention away from what is their massive competitive advantage, right? I mean, they just really don't want to talk about